Vehicles are basically computers on wheels right now, which means the importance of updated replacement parts can't be understated. As cars get fancier and more advanced, you need components that are tough and reliable. New technologies have altered the way drivers use their vehicles and how technicians maintain them. However, a topic often overlooked is the advanced intricacy of replacement components. Let's talk more about that. Whether it's a wheel bearing hub unit, an oxygen sensor, or any other vital part, the quality of the replacement can make or break a vehicle's safety and performance. You don't want to mess around with low quality parts when you're working on modern vehicles. Modern vehicles are complex, and technological advancements have led to some seriously intricate components that require precision manufacturing and strict compliance to specifications. For example, ADAS needs radar and camera sensors, direct injection vehicles need high-pressure fuel pumps, and battery pack replacements are needed for hybrid and electric cars. These components need to meet rigorous standards to ensure safety and optimal performance for your customers. This focus on quality parts has a direct impact on your bottom line. Ensuring your customers' satisfaction by providing reliable replacement parts means more repeat business and referrals to your shop. It also builds trust and loyalty. On the other hand, using inferior parts that fail prematurely damages your reputation and costs you more money down the road. Do it right the first time with quality parts. If you're looking to make some changes to your replacement part selection, do your research and choose brands with proven track records. Don't let price and availability blindside you. By putting quality first, you become a sort of regulator in the industry, driving out all the subpar products and ensuring the safety and satisfaction of your customers. As technology advances and vehicles evolve, high-quality replacement parts will continue to be in high demand. Stay ahead of the game and position yourself for long-term success by double-checking the quality of your replacement parts today. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.